All right, perfect. So what is your name and the name of your business?
My name is Carmen Ortiz. I work in mobile web development.
Perfect. And what did you learn today that you feel you could leave right out of here and apply?
Wow, where do I start? It was an amazing presentation. I can't wait to use all the great tips that he gave me. Call to action, problem, solution, putting all those things in the AI system and really getting a good prompt of how you want your videos to go. I'm so excited that I came here. It was an amazing event, and I can't wait for the next one.
Beautiful. And so what would you say, in your own words, was your biggest takeaway from the workshop?
The value in using the artificial intelligence. I didn't know that you could really, it's just a matter of really plugging in, you know, the words and being detailed with what it is you want. And it gives you an entire script of things to follow. And it's like, wow, it's a matter of just copy and paste. And you can get the whole dialogue for how you want to advertise your business. And it's quite fascinating. Wow.
Beautiful. And do you think that other people could benefit from the workshop?
100%. I can't wait. The next time I come here, this room is going to be packed with people. Are you kidding me? This man just gave the formula. This is, I mean, it's a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer. What this man told me tonight, I wish I had known years ago. But you know what? There's a time and place for everything, and I know it now. And I can't wait to put it into effect.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.